MySQL Workbench download.
Okay.
Click on first.
Developer join.
Yeah. Okay. Now scroll down. Yeah. Wait. Wait. This is not. Select version from above side. Yeah. Select the version. Okay. Just go little up. No. Up. Go to installer MSI. Yeah. That go to download page. Go to download page. Yeah. Now this is the page. Now click on the second option, download option.
This one, right?
Yeah. 331. Yeah, download.
Okay.
That is the file. No thanks. Just to start with.
Uh, okay.
Last. Yeah.
Eh.
Downloaded. Yes,
No,
download.
it's in
Click.
progress only.
Okay.
Bottle లో
It's
వేయవచ్చు కదా నాన్న.
almost downloaded.
Yeah. Heather. Thank you. Yeah. Done.
Yes. Install. Double click on that installer.
What is this? What should I select? Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?
Yes. Because this
Yes.
is a server, no?
Yes. Okay. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? I think
Yes.
it's asking. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I never install anything.
Don't worry.
Which option can I have to select? Server, client, full, custom. Full.
Full.
Okay. Full. Then next.
Yeah. Next. Yeah.
Now.
Now execute.
Okay.
The installation part is little bit easy, but one or two steps are very most important to uh, put some more efforts.
Okay. Yeah, it was completed, sir.
Next.
Okay.
Now next.
Okay.
Again next. No need to change anything.
Mm.
Now next, because we are choosing here use strong password encrypted for authentication. That is
Okay.
also recommended by uh, system. So here same like SQL server, we have to put one more password to enter in this server.
Okay.
Okay, and it should be little strong. Not, it is not necessary to be strong, but you must remember this password. Otherwise, you have to uninstall and again you have to install it.
Okay. Can I put my name?
You can use
In.
anything, but condition
Okay.
is that you must remember this password.
Okay. Okay. Week. It's showing week.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay.
You can click on next if you remember this password.
Yeah. Okay.
Next.
Okay.
Yes. Next. Access all granted. Now execute.
So I don't need any of this
No,
selection.
no, no. You cannot select. It will execute from top to bottom.
Okay, execute.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
This is configuring your file. Uh, Now
Okay.
finish. Okay. So
Okay.
again, you can click next. Okay. So here, mm, next.
MySQL router configuration. No
Finish,
need?
finish, finish. No need.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay.
Okay, next. Okay. So here just put your password which you entered before to step.
Okay.
No, root is okay. No, 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 no. Root is okay.
Oh,
Username
okay.
is root. That name should be root. Yes. Now password that you entered.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, connecting
Now
succeeded.
next. Yeah. Next. Execute.
Okay, finish.
Yes. Finish. Now
Okay.
again next. There are a lot of steps.
Okay.
Okay. Finish.
Finish.
Now this is
Okay.
the final step. Yeah.
Oh.
Wait for this. Okay.
Okay.
So this is your window. Okay.
Okay.
So now you can click on this local instant MySQL.
This one.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Now put
Okay.
password
Pass.
is save password in alt.
Save. Better.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now this you are entered. Okay.
Okay.
So now one more step we have to do here. Uh, this is our interface. Okay. Can you maximize this window?
Yes,
Maximum.
sure, sure. Yeah.
There is click on view.
Uh, where's the
Yes, yes, yes. View,
query?
view, view,
You. Okay.
view. Yes. A panel. Hide secondary sidebar. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now this is okay. Okay. And one more thing you have to do. Just come downside where written no object selection schema. Click on the schema downside. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Click on. So here all database uh, will be here. Okay.
Okay.
There is no other database having database and table. So now you can create your database from here. Okay. So
Okay.
your workbench is ready to install. Oh, sorry, work.
Okay.
Okay.
So create database is same, right? Same.
Yes,
Create,
yes, yes.
create
All
table.
are
Everything is
yes,
same. Only few
yes.
are options are different, right?
No, no, no. Everything is same.
Okay.
Just for
Right.
testing purpose, just create a database. Create database. Okay. Semicolon must be there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now execute this.
Very
Not there.
six.
Yeah, lighting space you are seeing just above third option. Lightning just above where you can
Okay.
scroll.
Okay. Okay. In this.
Yeah, yeah. Third option, yellow color. Lightning. Not this is not this palm. Left side, left from the left side, third option. Left. This is your right side, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
This
third.
one.
Yeah, this. Yes.
Okay. Power.
Yeah.
It's like a power symbol.
Yeah. So niche downside you can see output. there is written created database practice.
Okay.
Okay, now you can use function, use database name,
Yeah, yeah.
like before we were
Same as, yeah,
yeah. First we have to select the database.
database. Use
No, no, no,
database.
not
Oh.
select, use practice database
Yeah,
name.
directly. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why I thought
Don't
that
get
there is
confused, I am
something.
just telling to you.
Okay.
Now one more thing before, put semicolon, otherwise this will get.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And here shortcut is control plus enter. Okay, can't create database, so we are not creating, we are just using, just again execute.
Yeah,
Now,
use practice. Yeah, it
okay,
came.
now one more thing you just do,
Mm.
uh, uh, where this database list are listed
Yeah, yeah. That's why I'm
up.
looking for.
Yeah, just refresh it, because schema, in front of schema there are, yes, this symbol. So now
Okay.
see, this practice came. Okay,
There is
now here
no
you can,
visible something not here, right? Like
yeah,
SQL, what database you're using, that will show something about there, right?
yes.
Okay.
That we can start, but I don't know how to start, but we can. So
Okay.
finally, you have successfully created your database and you are using your database. Now you can create a table and you can insert the table. So anyway, just I am sending to you whole code. Okay, so just execute.
Okay.
Okay,
From notebook,
yes, from my,
Jupyter, Jupyter.
yes,
Okay.
just wait. Now execute from above.
Create database.
Okay, if
If
not
not
exist,
exist,
demo one.
what is this? Demo.
Demo one, that is the name of database.
Okay,
Okay,
create day. Why if not exist? What is this?
if database will exist, then this will not execute. If not exist, then this will create a one database which name is demo one. Okay, just execute one by one, except third one. Now,
Drop table if exist employees.
okay, but this is the fresh database, so I don't think there is any table inside.
Yeah, so
Now
creative.
create this table. Yeah, we created. Now DSC means description of employee table. Just run it. Okay,
Okay,
so we are getting all the information about this table.
okay.
Okay, okay. Now insert this all data
Okay,
inside the
did.
table. Yeah, yes, good.
Okay,
Inserted 35 rows. Now you can.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah, the table was created.
yeah.
What is this? Show tables?
That will show how many tables inside your database. So there are only one table.
Okay,
Okay.
so I will
So
refresh it.
now you have successfully installed MySQL workbench, and you
Okay,
have
I will. Mm,
created a database, and you have successfully inserted those data in that table, right?
yes.